Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to check all of the files on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Storage tab. You can find the Storage tab on the left of your screen. And after that, we're gonna go to this folder icon. So you have the recent icon. So this is all of the recent files that you've acquired. And this is the folder icon is basically all of the files that are available. So from here you can go to storage to check all of the folders. You can go to documents, check out documents, music, downloads, Android files, images, videos, Bluetooth, and fonts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.